What's up guys, Alex here, GuitarForce.com. So as you can see today we continue with the video series Epic Riffs, and in today's lesson we're going to break down not just one but 5 riffs of Black Sabbath. And the way I'm going to do it, I'm just going to play through riff by riff, and at the top of the screen you will see the tablature. So instead of me explaining note for note, the riffs are quite simple, nothing too complicated, and in the tablature you will see exactly what I'm playing, and you will see what I'm doing on the guitar. It's pretty explanatory, I think, and it's going to save a lot of time. The cool thing about these riffs that they're all written in E standard tuning, so no need to change anything on your guitar. For the sound I was using the VST plugin Guitar Rig. I'm going to show you the picture of the preset right now, and while you are checking it out I'm going to play you my low E so you can tune up and play along with this lesson. Alright guys, let's go for close up and let's get it on. Alright guys, so that was it for this lesson. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I hope you liked the new format of the lesson, and you can let me know in the comment section below if you did like it. And also you can leave your suggestions about new riffs or the riffs that you want me to break down in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to visit GuitarForce.com for more guitar lessons. In the meantime, till next video, I'll see you again. Take it easy, and as always, let the force be with you.